Namaskar. Good morning. Welcome to your Repairing Service Center. I am introducing something about our company, which is called www.repairingservicecenter.com. Our email address info@repairingservicecenter.com. This is our company, which is providing home appliances services in Delhi and NCR. NCR means Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad, Ghaziabad and all Delhi. I am introducing about some products and also what kind of services we are providing in Delhi NCR. Washing machine, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioner, dishwasher, 100% dryer, RO, LCD, LED and laptop. These kind of services we are providing in Delhi NCR for the all our good clients and all our Indians. We are providing the service and our company is recommended to expand our company to all over India. Now we are providing only in Delhi NCR in North India. What is the specialty of our company? Repairing Service Center, which provide the service to all the client with politely, with sincere and good quality we maintain. Always all the technicians are well trained and company trained engineers. Refrigerator, washing machine, microwave. These items are very important for the clients or the all the peoples, and most probably although most of the peoples are using this kind of product. Just I am introducing our company and I am saying something about product. And I am saying a front load washing machine, which is now this machine. It's for the repairing purpose. We took to the workshop, and I am saying about something. This machine, how it works. This is the door, entire door, which is working with a door lock, and it have a very solid drum, and the PCB means power controlling board, which is operating all complete cycle. When you are closing this door, there is a tray which is used for surf excel. We have to put the surf excel inside, and we start the machine for running mode, and it takes water takes inside and washing starts. It have different modes like cotton, woolen and dryer. This kind of services it provide, and when it starts the cycle it take more than half an hour. It wash and it rinse and it spin. 3 cycles are there. After this rinsing we can use the cloth and we can use for the dry purpose to the sunrise. And when I am saying about some qualities of our company, we provide quick service within 15 to 20 minutes. Our executive call follow the clients, and we are giving within 1 hour our engineer reach to the client, and they are giving the service. And first of all, they are well trained. I have to say about our technicians, and all the technicians are trained. And we give the principal culture of India. It's how to deal with the client, how to give a good service, how can we satisfy client. That is a very important ratio of our motto, and we are working for that. And washing machine, the case of the washing machine I introduced it, and I am saying about the refrigerator. The same services which are providing the refrigerator also, same services we are providing the 100% dryer also. We are providing service to the client like an RO also, and these services are very important in our human life. Repairing Service Center, which calling www.repairingservicecenter.com, that company, it's since 10 years in Delhi, we are working for that. And most properly now all the engineers, new engineers are coming, and they are taking the training, and they are going to the field, and they are giving a good experience. And the customer, more than 10,000 customer, we have the happy clients, and we offering to the clients, all the customers should be satisfied with us, and of course we will work for that. And of course we trying to expand our service to all over India. Now only in I earlier said we are providing in Delhi NCR only, and as soon as possible we are working for that. And all India we will transfer this, expand to the service with the good well trained engineers. Especially we give the training to the all the engineers. Once in a month we having meetings for all the technicians, and repeatedly they are coming and they are giving a we are good serving to the clients, and of course we will we are committing to the clients. Although we are happy, our clients, your satisfaction is our motto, and we are working for that. And I am saying about the semi-automatic washing machine now. We semi-automatic. I am saying introducing about the semi-automatic washing machine. The same procedure as there. There is a bathtub, and there is a spin tub, and there is a timer for washing, there is a timer for spinning, there is a button for the drainage, and three purpose. And when you are putting the manually in this machine, we have to put the cloth manually, and we have to connect with the tap, and water fills, and we put it to start as per your time. There is a timing for 35 minutes, up to 35 minutes there is a timing, and when water enter and it start washing, and after washing we can remove the cloth to the rinse mode, we can put it inside of the spin mode, we can put inside of the spin drum, and we can connect with the tap. It will be on rinse, will come to the rinse mode. After rinsing, we can switch off the tap, it will go to the dry mode, then we can use the cloth. And this is the main demonstration of the machines. And of course we provide the we are assuring the all of our client happy clients, more and more customer will be satisfied with us. Of course we will give a good service to the peoples, and our this is our main commitment, and we are trying for that. Thank you.